In this tutorial, we want to learn how to perform distinct count in PivotTable. Let's get started. Now we have this data. We have already formatted in Excel table and we have named it. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to Insert tab and click on PivotTable. So in my Create PivotTable dialog box, I'm going to check add this data to the data model, then we click OK. So the data will be added to the data model. Okay, so it's still loading onto the data model and it will be through in a moment. Now we actually want to see the distinct count rather based on our account manager and the number of customer names. So we want to know how many customers are unique customers and what is the total number of all the customers, and of course the value of all the transactions. Now we have this PivotTable sheet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the account manager, and of course it comes into the rows axis because it contains text. So I actually want to do my distinct count on customer name. Now when I drag this into the value areas, it's performed count of customer name, okay, because the value is actually text, so it automatically perform count of whatever field names it is. So I'm going to drag that one more time below it, so we have 1 2. So this is actually possible and allow the pivot table. Now let's grab our total and let's drop it in. Now we have this data. So what I actually want to do is very simple. So I'm going to right click on any of the value in the count of customer name and either click on value field settings from here or come to the PivotTable Analyze tab and under the active field click on field settings. Now we have this value field settings dialog box. So this is the name of our column, which is fine, and of course under the summarize value by, so we actually want to summarize by the count, the distinct count. Now this is only possible when we have our data in the data model. Okay, so when I click on OK, then we have this report. Now it discovered that there are 70 customers that purchased from Abiola David, but there are 51 distinct, that is unique customers that purchased from us, meaning that 19 of these customers repeated their sales, okay, but we have 51 unique. So that's how to perform distinct count in PivotTable. So all I need to do is just to apply number formatting to this, okay, and let's make it okay. It's fine like this. Now the total value of all the sales by the customer name for Abiola David is actually 103,628.52 thousand naira. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye.